Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your keyboard larger on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Display and Brightness settings. Here at the very bottom, you can find the Display section. Tap on the Display Zoom option. You can see two options displayed on your screen. Tap on the larger text option. Now, tap on the Done button at the top right corner of your display. Finally, tap on the Use Zoomed button to confirm and apply the settings. Now, when you use your keyboard in any app, you will notice that it's larger and easier to type on. And this is how you can make your keyboard larger on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.